Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चों. What's going on?
Fine, ma'am.
Great. Today we will study remaining concept of chapter first. Chapter first is shapes and space. In previous video we have seen some concepts like inside, outside, smaller, bigger, smallest, biggest, and a story of Arab and his camel. Okay, today we will discuss some concepts like top, bottom, nearer, farther, nearest, farthest, concepts with some example. Okay. Now move on to the next concept, top and bottom. So look here students. Here you can see three boys are playing with slider. Here this boy is holding a stair of slider and this boy is sitting on the top of the slider and third one is sitting at the bottom of the slider. यहाँ तीन लड़के स्लाइडर के साथ खेल रहे हैं। यहाँ एक लड़का स्लाइडर की सीढ़ी को पकड़ के खड़ा है। सेकेंड, स्लाइडर के सबसे ऊपर जाके बैठे हुए हैं। तीसरा, स्लाइड करके नीचे आ चुके हैं। ओके, नाउ लुक हियर बच्चों, व्हाट ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर यू एबल टू सी इन दिस पिक्चर? Yes, cat is at the bottom of the tree and bird is on the top of the tree. BOTTOM 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 means नीचे. Cat कहाँ है? पेड़ के नीचे है. TOP 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 means ऊपरी सतह. Bird कहाँ है? चिड़िया कहाँ है? पेड़ के सबसे ऊपरी डाल पे है. Now move on to the next picture. What all objects are you able to see in this picture, student? Yes, this is potter. Potter means kumhar. A potter is someone who makes pottery. जो मिट्टी के घड़े को बनाता है, मिट्टी के बर्तन को बनाता है, उसको हम पॉटर कहते हैं, कुम्हार कहते हैं. ओके, look at this sentence बच्चों. What is written here? It's written tick the pot on the top. Means जो सबसे ऊपर घड़ा रखा है उसको टिक करें. So think and tell me बच्चों, which pot on the top? Yes, it's right. This pot is on the top. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to tick on this pot. Okay. Now move on to the next picture. Read this sentence. What is written here? It's written tick the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Means जो जानवर सीढ़ी के नीचे है उसे टिक करें. Tell me which animal is this? This is cat. Cat means billy. Tell me which animal is this? This is dog. Dog means kutta. This is stairs. Stairs means सीढ़ियाँ. So tell me बच्चों, which animal is at the bottom of the stairs? Yes, it's right. Dog is at the bottom of the stairs. Now what we have to do? We have to tick on this dog. Now move on to the next concept. Next concept is nearer and farther. What all objects are you able to see in this picture? Yes, one house, two trees, two birds are there. Tell me kids, which bird is near to house and which bird is far from house? Yes, this bird is far from house and this bird is near to house. Look here बच्चों, what's written here? It's written tick the bird nearer to home. Means उस बर्ड को, उस चिड़िया को टिक करे जो घर से होम से ज्यादा पास है. Tell me kids, which bird is nearer to home? कौन सी चिड़िया घर के ज्यादा पास है? This one or this one? Think and tell me, which bird is nearer to home? Yes, it's right. This bird is nearer to home. यह चिड़िया घर से ज्यादा पास है. So, what we have to do? We have to tick on this bird. Okay, got it बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, move on to the next picture. Okay. Look and tell me what all objects are you able to see in this picture? Yes, right. In this picture, one tree, two cats, one rat are there. Tell me kids, which cat is near to tree and which cat is far from tree? Yes, it's right. This cat is near to tree and this cat is far from tree. Look here. What is written here? It's written tick the cat farther from the tree. Means उस कैट को टिक करें जो पेड़ से, ट्री से ज्यादा दूर है. Think and tell me kids, which cat is farther from the tree? Yes, it's right. This one, this cat is farther from the tree. Now, what we have to do? We have to tick on this cat. Now, move on to the next concept. Next concept is nearest and farthest. Okay. Nearest means सबसे नजदीक and farthest means सबसे दूर. Look here kids and tell me what all objects are you able to see in this picture? In this picture, one swing, one boys and two girls are there. They are playing with swing. इस पिक्चर में एक लड़का और दो लड़कियां हैं. Here, this boy is nearest to the swing and this girl is farthest from the swing. मीन्स यह लड़का झूले से सबसे नजदीक है और यह लड़की झूले से सबसे दूर है. SWING swing means झूला. Now move on to the next picture. Look here and tell me what all objects are you able to see in this picture. Okay. In this picture, four dogs are running towards the tree. इस पिक्चर में चार कुत्ते पेड़ की तरफ दौड़ रहे हैं. In this picture, this dog, this puppy is nearest to the tree. And This puppy, this dog is farthest from the tree. Puppy, puppy means pilla. Now look here kids. What's written here? It's written tick the puppy farthest from the tree. Means उस पपी को, उस कुत्ते के बच्चे को टिक करें जो ट्री से, पेड़ से सबसे ज्यादा दूर है. Here we have to compare with all these puppy. Which one is farthest from the tree? Previous picture में हमने farther word use किया था और यहाँ हम farthest word use कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ 2 से ज्यादा पपी है. यहाँ 4 पपी है. ओके, यहाँ 4 के साथ कंपेयर करना है तो हम farthest word यूज करेंगे. ओके, when we have to compare with 2 puppy, which one is far from the tree, then we will use farther word. So kids, tell me which puppy is farthest from the tree? Yes, it's right. This puppy is farthest from the tree. So now we have to tick on this puppy. Now move on to the next picture. Okay, tell me kids, in this picture what all objects you are able to see? In this picture 3 trees and 1 bird are there. Here bird is flying on the sky. Okay, tell me kids, which tree is nearest to the bird and which one is farthest from the bird? Okay, यहाँ हमें तीनों ट्री के साथ कंपेयर करना होगा कि कौन सा ट्री बर्ड से पास में है. Okay, so here we have to find out which tree is nearest to the bird and which tree is farthest from the bird. So think and tell me kids, which tree is nearest to the bird? कौन सा ट्री पक्षी से सबसे पास में है और कौन सा ट्री बर्ड से सबसे दूर है? Yes, this tree is nearest to the bird and this tree is farthest from the bird. Now look here kids, what is written here? It's written tick the tree nearest to the bird. Means जो ट्री बर्ड से सबसे ज्यादा नजदीक है उसे टिक करें. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Think and tell me which tree is nearest to the bird. Yes, it's right. This tree is nearest to the bird. So now what we have to do? We have to tick on this tree. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, great. Now I am going to end this session. Remaining concept of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.